Hello, today I'm going to be reviewing a digital storytelling website called littlebirdtales.com. This website is great to use for grades pre-K through 6th grade, and what I like most about this website is that you're able to capture the voice of a child and use the child's own artwork to create a story. This website encourages creativity and self-expression, reinforces reading and writing skills. You can also create interactive assignments. There's support for teachers, and with the updated version, the premium account, you can use the Common Core standard templates. So to create an account, you simply click here and you fill out the information and you choose your account type, either regular or teacher, and both the regular and teacher offer free versions with up to 25 megabytes of storage. Now there is also an upgraded premium teacher account, and the cost for that is $24.99 per year. With the premium account, you receive 200 megabytes of storage space for your account and 100 megabytes for each student in your classes. You also get 30 free MP4 downloads each year that you are a premium member. So once you fill out that information, you simply just log in. I'm going to log into my account here. And it is very user-friendly. You can simply click on Create a Tale and start creating your story. Before you get started, there's 3 options that you can choose from. You can choose to draw and create your own artwork, or if you've already uploaded photos, you can have those stored in your gallery. Excuse me. Or you may upload photos from your computer. So I'm going to start off with my title, and I'm going to have one called Cats and Dogs, and I'm going to upload a photo from my file. And once that has uploaded, I simply click Save and Continue. And then I want to add a page. And for this, I'm going to upload another photo. And once I have uploaded this photo, I can start typing my text. And once I have that part finished, you simply click Save. And you can see here that I have my cover page, and I have page 1, and you simply keep adding pages from here. So now I'm going to add a page where I'm going to show you how to draw your own artwork. And there's different options here that you can see on the left for doing shapes and doing a paintbrush, creating your own artwork, and all the different colors to choose from. And then once you have your artwork finished, you hit Save, and then you have to go up here to X out, but you want to make sure that you save your artwork here again to your book. So for this, you have to actually hit Save 2 different times. Once to save your artwork, and then save again to include it into your book. So once you have your pages created, you can do a preview, and then you simply hit play. And another option that you have is once you previewed your book, you have the option to purchase this tale for 99 cents. And when you click on this screen here, you just simply put in your information and you're charged 99 cents to download the MP4. I'm going to go back to my home page here, and I'm going to pull up My Tales, and this is the one that we just created. It's titled Cats and Dogs. It shows that I was the author. It shows the number of pages, when it was created, and when it was last modified. And here you have other options. You can play the tale again, or you can go back and edit the tale, or you may purchase it, or create a PDF document, or if you want, you may delete it. So you can see all the different tales that I've created in the past. The site is very user-friendly, and it would be great for children to use and their parents as well. One other thing I wanted to point out was for this settings here, you always want to make sure that you have the allow and remember portion of the section checked here. Make sure that you have a current updated version of Adobe Flash Player in order to record. The light should turn green once you have these settings correct. I had not been on my site in quite some time, and so when I tried to record, this showed up as a red, and I did not have an updated version, so I had to simply go in here and change this and update my version. So I've gone back in to edit this, and we'll go ahead and do a voiceover and record this so I can show you how this part works. Cats and Dogs. Okay, so I just read the title here. I clicked record, read the title, and clicked stop. Now I can play this section to listen. Okay, so I'm going to hit save and continue. Alright, now I want to record over this section here with the text that we had previously written. So I'll go ahead and click record. Tabby sat on the stump looking down at Ace. Now I'll go back and hit play to hear that again. And once you are finished with that, you want to make sure that you click save again. And when you go back out to the main page with My Tales, you have privacy settings. You can set this to private or public. If you want to share this, you are given an embed code that you can email or insert on our website. This website can be used to create fiction stories for students, or students can create their own personal narratives. Another idea for the classroom would be to use the stories, have the children create stories to be used for an open house or to be used for holidays throughout the year. Like I said before, the interesting thing about this website is that it's able to capture the child's voice and their own personal artwork. Some of the pros and cons to this website. The pros are that you're able to create assignments for students, and you have accounts that you can create for each individual student. It's very easy to use and user-friendly, and easy to share with the parents. Some of the cons are that not all students have internet access at home. As far as diversity, Students can be creative and use their artwork and download their own photos or scanned pictures. And students that have difficulty with writing can narrate their own story. But overall, I think this is a great website, and I will definitely use this in my classroom. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Thank you.